Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change Cortana's voice and language on your Windows computer. So this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is open up the Start menu, type in Settings. Best result should come back with Settings listed right above App. Go ahead and open that up. Select the Time and Language tile, and then select region on the left side. Where it says country or region, go ahead and select the country or region of your choosing. And then once you're done with that, select the language option on the left side, and directing our attention back to the right underneath preferred languages, go ahead and select the plus sign to add a language. At this point, you want to go ahead and select whatever language you want to add, and you would select it. Select next. And you want to have language pack checkmarked, and then set my Windows display language checkmarked as well. And you definitely want handwriting checkmarked. So those three, select install. Or you're going to have to select yes, sign out now. And then you're going to sign back in. And now that we're back into Windows, we're going to go ahead and open up the Start menu again. Type in Settings. Go ahead and select that. Select the Time and Language tile. Select Speech on the left side. And then underneath Speech Language, choose the language you speak with your device. Click inside the drop down. Select the new language here. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.